Tutorial: Setting up Microsoft Intune device restrictions for Windows. Explanation: Managing which Windows devices can be enrolled in Microsoft Intune is crucial for maintaining control over your organization's IT environment. By setting up enrollment restrictions, you can specify which devices, personal or corporate-owned, and OS versions are allowed to enroll in Intune. This guide provides a quick step-by-step tutorial to create and configure enrollment restrictions for Windows devices. Steps to set up enrollment restrictions for Windows devices in Intune. Step 1. Sign into the Microsoft Intune Admin Center. 1. Go to the intune.microsoft.com. 2. Sign in with your admin credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Enrollment Restrictions 1. Once logged in, go to Devices, Enrollment Device Platform Restrictions. Step 3. Create a new enrollment restriction. 1. Click Create Restriction. 2. Name the restriction, such as Device Type Restriction HR. Step 4. Set device and OS restrictions. 1. Choose to allow or block devices based on ownership. MDM enrollment, enable or block Windows device enrollment. Personal versus corporate-owned devices. Specify if personal devices can be blocked. 2. Define a min-max OS version range to ensure only specific OS versions are allowed during enrollment. Step 5. Assign enrollment restrictions to groups. 1. In the Assignment section, choose which groups, e.g. departments like HR, will be affected by this restriction. 2. Scope restrictions by departments, user groups, or other criteria to control enrollment. Notes: Personal versus corporate devices. Blocking personal devices ensures only corporate-owned devices are enrolled. OS version restrictions. The restriction only applies during the enrollment process and doesn't affect already enrolled devices. By following these steps, you can control and secure which Windows devices are allowed to enroll in your Microsoft Intune environment.